It's finally here. With the Samsung Galaxy S25 series just around the corner, most leaks have confirmed what to expect. Now, a full spec sheet for the Galaxy S25 Ultra has leaked, and it looks like previous reports were spot on. The well-known leaker Yogesh has shared the complete specs, and here's what the Galaxy S25 Ultra will bring when it launches early next year. Galaxy S25 Ultra specifications. Display. A 6.8-inch QHD LTPO AMOLED screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Processor. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the best Qualcomm has to offer. Memory. Up to 16 gigs of RAM. Storage. Options up to 1 TB. Cameras. Quad camera setup 200 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra-wide, upgraded, 50 megapixel telephoto, and 10 megapixel periscope. The front camera is 12 megapixels. Battery. A 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. Software. Runs Android 15 with Samsung's new One UI 7. Impressive. But what's new? The specs are undoubtedly powerful, but they don't bring many changes compared to the S24 Ultra. Both phones share the same display, battery size, charging speed, and even similar cameras, aside from the improved 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor on the S25 Ultra. One UI 7 will also be available for the S24 Ultra, so software isn't exclusive either. The main differences are the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and a shift back to rounded edges for those who found the sharp corners on the S24 Ultra uncomfortable. The extra RAM is likely to support the revamped Galaxy Eye, which introduces a smarter LLM-powered Bixby assistant aiming to compete with Apple's AI-powered features on the iPhone 16. Should you upgrade? If you already own the S24 Ultra, the upgrades might not feel worth it unless you really want the new processor, extra RAM, or rounded design. For those with older devices, the S25 Ultra is still a solid choice, but it's not a huge leap forward. Price concerns? In short, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse, but for many, the differences might feel too small to justify upgrading. Today, we have a flood of official updates regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra. A top Samsung official has reportedly confirmed that the Exynos 2500 chip won't power the Galaxy S25 series. Instead, Samsung has other plans for it, the next-gen foldables. This scoop comes from the credible folks at Thelic. According to the report, Samsung is gearing up to use the Exynos 2500 in the Galaxy Z Flip 7, marking the first time a Galaxy foldable will feature an Exynos processor. Mass production for the chip kicks off next year, just in time for its H2 release. Interestingly, the Exynos 2500 was initially planned for the Galaxy S25 series, but it seems Samsung changed course, possibly because their second-gen 3nm process is now stable enough to take on foldables. This move could finally shake Qualcomm's dominance in Samsung's foldable lineup, giving Exynos a chance to shine. Samsung's bold shift could mean exciting things for the future of foldables. What do you think? Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is stirring up some serious color drama. A fresh leak has stirred up excitement around the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, highlighting a potential new color shade, but now without some confusion. Renowned leaker Ice Universe recently showcased an image of the S25 Ultra's colorway on X, formerly Twitter, dubbing it blue. However, the shade sparked debate as it appeared more like gray to many, including another source, Jukamosriv, who pointed out the mismatch in the comments. This has left fans puzzled as we edge closer to the anticipated January Unpacked event. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to arrive in 4 stunning titanium-based color options: black, gray, blue, and white silver. Here's the breakdown of the expected colors. Interestingly, blue is set to be the standout signature color for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, although Samsung is reportedly producing the highest volume in the black colorway. Whether Ice Universe's post captured the subtleties of the blue hue or sparked a case of mistaken identity, one thing is clear: the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design is gearing up to dazzle. What if your next phone not only charged faster but came with a design upgrade that screams bold and futuristic? Let's dive into the latest leaks that are turning heads before Samsung even says a word. Dbrand steals the spotlight with Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories. Pre-orders for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories are live, courtesy of Dbrand, and they're not holding back. With bold design tweaks showcased through their exclusive cases, Dbrand is setting the stage even before Samsung has officially announced the Galaxy S25 Ultra's launch details. From the new Ghost, Grip, and Prism cases to an impressive range of custom skins, Dbrand is teasing some exciting possibilities. The grip and prism cases aren't limited to the Ultra. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus owners can get in on the action too. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's case design is particularly intriguing, featuring cutouts for larger camera rings and a dedicated slot for the LED flashlight. To enhance usability, the side frame includes slightly raised keys for a more natural button feel when using the volume rockers and power keys. But here's where things get even better. Dbrand's cases enable MagSafe charging functionality thanks to a special design integration. Subtle tweaks like slightly rounded corners give the Galaxy S25 Ultra a fresh edge compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. For the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, the Ghost and Prism cases are accompanied by a lineup of sleek back panel skins. Interestingly, early leaks hint at thicker camera rings on the Galaxy S25 resembling the iconic design of the Z Fold 6, while the overall form factor aligns closely with this year's Galaxy S24 series. Is Q2 wireless charging coming to the Galaxy S25? Samsung might be bringing a game-changer to the Galaxy S25 series with potential support for the Q2 wireless charging standard, but there's a twist. Q2 introduces the Magnetic Power Profile MPP, a feature designed to align phones perfectly with chargers for faster and more efficient power delivery. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to support 15-watt wireless charging via Q2. However, it's unclear if the device will include magnetic alignment functionality out of the box. Instead, Samsung could offer an optional magnet case to bring this feature to life. If true, this strategic move could boost Samsung's adoption of Q2. With magnetic alignment, charging becomes not only faster, but also more reliable, something users of the Galaxy S25 lineup might soon experience firsthand. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious flagship yet, poised to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology, the S25 Ultra is ready to make waves. Let's dive into the rumored specifications that have been buzzing in the tech world. Design. Samsung is swapping the traditional aluminum frame for a titanium build, enhancing durability and premium feel. Paired with Corning Gorilla Armor glass on both front and back, the S25 Ultra also retains its IP68 water and dust resistance. Display. Prepare for an immersive experience with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. With Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x1440, a pixel density of 505 ppi, and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, this display is set to deliver unmatched clarity and smoothness. Performance. At the heart of the S25 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Built on a 3nm process, it promises next-level performance with a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, Hexagon NPU, and an Adreno GPU. Combined with a Snapdragon X80 modem, expect blazing fast connectivity and edge-driven efficiency. Memory and storage options. 12 gigs of RAM / 256 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 512 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 1 TB storage. Cameras. The S25 Ultra is gunning for the title of the Camera King. Main camera. 200 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, OIS, and adaptive pixel technology. Ultra-wide 50 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Telephoto. 10 megapixel, 3x optical zoom, OIS. 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, 10x optical quality zoom with adaptive pixel sensor, up to 100x digital zoom. Front camera, 12 megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 80-degree field of view. Video recording, 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Battery and charging. The Ultra will pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging, ensuring all-day power and quick recharges. Software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra will receive an unprecedented 7 generations of OS and security updates, future-proofing your investment. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7. Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2, Type-C, Dual SIM/eSIM support, 5G with mmWave and sub-6 GHz support. Colors. Titanium lovers rejoice. Choose from titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver. Mark your calendars. Samsung is rumored to launch the Galaxy S25 series on January 22, 2025, setting the stage for the next generation of innovation. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be available in 2 RAM configurations and 3 storage options. In the US, the starting price is rumored to be $1,299 for the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage variant, with the 1TB model going up to $1,659. Are you ready to experience Samsung's next leap in smartphone technology? What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments.